Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Are you ready to boost your investment game? Today, we reveal 8 hidden gems in the S&P 500 that pay stunning dividends. If you want to create passive income, keep watching. Dividends, often seen as a reliable stream of income, represent a crucial component for investors seeking stability in their portfolios. Let's explore the criteria that define the highest dividend-paying stocks. Today, we will uncover these 8 stocks. In conclusion, understanding dividend stocks is essential for investors aiming for both financial security and growth, and these 8 high-yield stocks present valuable opportunities to enhance your investment strategy. Embrace the chance to take your portfolio to new heights with these impressive choices. Hello viewers, if you're enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us. And remember to comment and share. First, we have Altria Group. Missouri has built a strong reputation, making it a notable choice for those seeking reliable returns in the market. In conclusion, Missouri's dedication to providing consistent dividends, along with its established position in the tobacco industry, makes it a compelling investment opportunity for those looking to enhance their portfolio with steady income. The dividend yield stands at 6.9%. This impressive yield highlights the potential for attractive passive income, making it an appealing choice for investors seeking steady returns. With a solid foundation, this dividend can contribute significantly to financial growth and long-term stability in an investment portfolio. Next on our list is Pfizer. With a solid track record and promising future, PFE appeals to those seeking to balance their investments with reliable and growing income streams. PFE stands out among its peers. Investors looking for stability and growth have found a trustworthy ally in PFE, as its commitment to increasing dividends reflects both robust performance and a strategic vision for the future. With a blend of safety and potential, PFE continues to inspire confidence in the market. The PFE dividend yields 7.2%. In a world where investment choices are abundant, a yield of 7.2% offers both stability and promise for those seeking effective returns. This dividend paves the way for prudent financial planning and growth, showcasing the potential of strategic investments in pharmaceutical sectors. Let's talk about United Parcel Service. UPS stands out in the delivery sector, making it an appealing choice for investors seeking not only growth but also financial stability through steady dividends. With a proven track record, UPS continues to prioritize shareholder value. In conclusion, choosing UPS is not just an investment in a delivery service, but a commitment to long-term financial gains, consistent dividends, and a resilient company that has proven itself time and again in the competitive market. The UPS dividend yield stands at 6.6%. This impressive yield not only reflects UPS's strong financial footing, but also demonstrates its commitment to providing value to its shareholders, making it an attractive option for investors seeking reliable income through dividends. Number 4 is Healthpeak Properties Inc. Doc specializes in real estate. In its commitment to enhancing the quality of life, Healthpeak Properties Inc. focuses on developing innovative, sustainable spaces that foster community well-being, making a positive impact on both residents and the environment through conscientious design and development practices. Stock dividend yield of is 7.2%. This relatively high yield reflects the company's commitment to returning value to its shareholders through consistent dividend payments. As a real estate investment trust, REIT, specializing in healthcare properties, DOC generates stable rental income from its portfolio of medical office buildings, which helps support its dividend payouts. For income-focused investors, DOC's 7.2% dividend yield can be an appealing option, especially in the current market environment where reliable income streams are highly valued. Fifth is Alexandria Real Estate Equities ARE, or Alexandria Real Estate Equities Inc., focuses on properties crucial to life sciences and technology sectors, ensuring steady dividends for investors seeking reliable growth. Properties. In conclusion, investing in ARE is not just about stability, it's about aligning with sectors that innovate and sustain long-term growth. As a trusted name in the REIT landscape, AR offers opportunities for both income and value appreciation for discerning investors. Dividend yield is 7.4. This yield positions are among high-income REITs, making it an appealing option for income-centric investors seeking reliable quarterly distributions. Supported by long-term leases to research institutions and tech tenants, R maintains a strong payout backed by stable rental revenue. Just note, such elevated yields often stem from share price dips, so it's wise to consider dividend sustainability, payout ratio trends, and the broader market context before committing. Next, we have LyondellBasell Industries. As a leading player in the chemical industry, LIB consistently demonstrates its potential for growth while providing dependable returns to its investors. The company's commitment to sustainability also enhances its appeal. In summary, LIB not only offers attractive dividends, but also aligns with the emerging trends in sustainability. By combining solid financial performance with a dedication to responsible practices, LIB ensures its continued relevance in a competitive market, making it a prudent choice for investors looking for stability and growth. The LIB dividend yield stands impressively at 9.2%. This remarkable yield not only reflects the company's commitment to shareholder value, but also positions LIB as an attractive investment opportunity for those seeking consistent income. Investors can look forward to potential growth alongside reliable returns in the ever-changing market landscape. Seventh is Conagra Brands. In the world of food investments, ticker CAG stands out, delivering not just your favorite products but also a delicious dividend. Enjoy the benefits. With CAG, not only do you satisfy your cravings for quality food, but you also savor the sweet returns, making it a smart choice for income-focused investors looking for a flavorful addition to their portfolio. The GAG dividend yield stands at 6.5%. This impressive yield reflects the company's commitment to returning value to its shareholders, making it an attractive option for investors seeking stable income. As the market fluctuates, GAG remains a reliable choice, showcasing both resilience and profitability for those invested in its future. Finally, we have Edison International. Consider the benefits of investing in EIX. Its consistent performance not only safeguards your assets, but also enhances your potential for substantial returns. Investing in EIX. In conclusion, with its reliable dividends and stability, EIX stands out as a promising option for investors seeking both security and growth in their portfolios. Commitment to excellence makes EIX a solid choice for long-term investment strategies. EIX offers an attractive dividend yield. This enticing yield positions EIX as a compelling option for investors seeking reliable income streams. With a solid financial foundation, the company demonstrates its commitment to returning capital to shareholders, ultimately enhancing overall investment value. Remember, investing in these companies can lead to consistent income. Make sure to research further and consult a financial advisor. To sum it up, these 8 stocks, MO, PFE, UPS, DOC, R, LIB, CAG, and EIX, offer fantastic dividends. They provide stability, growth potential, and passive income. As you navigate your financial journey, remember that knowledge is your greatest asset. Make it a habit to seek guidance and expand your understanding. Part of that journey involves continuously building your wealth and maintaining curiosity. In conclusion, the path to financial prosperity is paved with learning and exploration, reminding you that the partnership with a financial advisor can provide invaluable insights, ensuring you make informed decisions as you thrive in this ever-changing landscape. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more insights. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. Let's grow your financial knowledge together.